Hello guys, I'm Aharin Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to recover your email password in case you forgot, lost, hacked, hijacked your email password. How do you rescue? What's the best options to rescue or recover? Yeah, you know particular your Gmail ID. Here is an exceptional case. This ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that, he is not in a position to the rescue of it because having the two option only once, and he doesn't have now the recovery email and the recovery phones. He was by mistakenly not added also alternative recovery email. So now here is a two options. One is the special answer is question shown, and second is that yes, if account is managed with the family links or alternative emails, then of course we have sent the emails to you, the parents to you. Change your password. In that conditions, we quit both options because this is not possible from my side here also. So let's have the more options Google can give or not. We will see, and then we can the rescue. Simply if I try here guys, let's see if I go for try again here. Now we are having the problems in that. Another way we'll go for, because we don't have a password, we don't have a last password, so we will go for another way. And we don't have a phone number, so we can go for another way. Now this kind of the problem is having, so simply we will cut it from here and we will come in the Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we have especially one is especially the Chrome beta. Let's install. So it's almost installing. So two changes is very crucial. We will hold especially Google browser especially, and of course we will come to permission. In permission, we will have to make it notification off. Take any smartphones, apply a similar strategy. We will come the permissions to, of course we will have to navigate the locations to make the precise location off. So tap on it here guys. Click here, don't allow NB. So when we tap on here, no longer the function as intended things. The 4 timing I'm doing it, so just we will back here now. And thereupon of course we will cut it from here. And thereupon of course we will come on once again on a Chrome browser. Hold it. We will apply a similar strategy. Of course we will come in a notification. We will make it in a allow to off this notification. We will back, so we will come the permission, and a permission here we will make it flip in this page off. Then we will go for the locations. You will have enabled, so the make it especially this precise location disabled, and tap on don't allow NB. So if you don't allow, it means things that if you refuse these permissions, and then basic feature of your device may no longer the function as intended. For timing I'm doing it, so guys we'll have to back one more time here. There's a crucial step, checked out and used tabs, and that should be a disable at all. Now what we will do guys here, now simply we will have to come to open especially there's a Chrome beta. Now here it will ask you directly you would like to sign. So no, because this is not ID that we would like to recover. So just we will come on especially go in there. We will write on here especially the Google and tap on it guys. When we tap on it, so what's going to happen? So let's see. Now we will go for the sign in directly without making delay here. So of course we will go for skips in this, and we will come on here. Now here we will have to, of course simply we will have to tap a particular that is email was started from, so the key of this viewer funds. Now we will tap on an X, and when we tap on an X, so what's going to happen? So let's see. Here is asking especially the password guys. So just we will go for instance the forgot, and when we tap on a forgot, then it's saying so that especially device. Now we will go for especially here. Try another way because we don't have a password also. Now here is a number is saying especially 2 digit, but don't make a mistake to text or call, otherwise you would be trapped in OTP verification. So don't. Now there is more tips to the rescue of this. By using this, surely you can recover of this your ID. How it is possible? See here, answer as many questions as you can. Yes, by this option can be possible. Second, use the device where we have the sign in before by that also, and any alternative emails, and thus we have sent emails. This option is just saying if we try again, so that this page will open there. You will have to provide enough information with legal document by that email, so that yes, Google will verify that this account is yours or not. If it is yours, then of course on the basis of yes, endorsement, justifications, you will have a strong opportunity to other creates. But after 48 hours, we cannot wait such a long time. So then, more tips to other rescue decide we will come with this, especially future. We will cut it from here and directly we'll come in a setting, guys. So when we tap in the settings, we will take a Google Assistant. Google itself will recover of this area. How it is possible? Now, what we will do, guys, here simply. One thing more that I would like to tell you here. Sorry, we will tap on a setting. Let's come in a setting, guys. Sorry, just we will come in a setting. Tap on setting, guys. In setting, especially we will come in a Google Assistant. In the Google Assistant, of course, we will come in a especially. Tap on a especially help options. When we tap, and then what's going to happen here? Here we will have to write this thing is a particular word that hacked. Take it smartly and hacked Gmail recovery we would like to. So when we tap in that, we'll have options in that. Yes, secure or hacked or compromised email accounts, because now we don't have anything. So now what we will do here, just is here account recovery. Review your account activities. There wasn't me, this kind of the things are coming. So find out if your account has been hacked directly. And when we taps, then of course we will scroll up these tips to other can be recoverable. Now here is only once, check it out here, that create a replacement Google accounts, no. Create a replacement Gmail accounts, no. Avoid getting logged out of your Gmail accounts, no. We will not approach these ones, except this option we don't have. So tap on this recovery page, and when we tap on it, directly would be on here. And now via that we will use this and we'll go for next and see here what's going to happen. Now it has detected fully and it has been recovered. Don't make a stupid thing, so that click on a continue. We will click on update password. Why so? Because if we click on here, two verification will be open and there you don't have the recovery phone, so that you can. So just we will tap on a update password, and now that we have the strong opportunity to create in the strong password, guys. Here when we taps here, see we have a skip option also, but don't do a mistakes in these things. Just we will create a password, a strong password, go for save it, and thereupon we will go in a Google account management. There you will have one feature, that is security. In security there, add a firstly alternative email. By that you will get OTP to succeed to remove your particular recovery number, and you can add a new phone number, so that this site will be permanently secure, guys. On a live screen we cannot change the password because we live in a public domain, and this is a concern of data privacy of my viewer, guys. So this is all about. Thank you very much in that, and for the inquiry, drop the query in a comments box. I will reply to everyone's, guys. Hard likes, don't forget leave the feedbacks below the comment box. Your feedback is very essential and important for us to make such as informative tutorial or not. And anyone who is confused to not to do, or you haven't established of such kind of the setup to other scope from that, you can leave your emails. If you don't have any objections to disclose your email in a public domain on these channels, then thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.